So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yogesh, and today we are going to learn about the chapter that is statistics, which is a very important chapter for the class 10 standard of the Maharashtra board as well as the NCERT board. So, we have to understand what is the statistics and how to calculate the what are the mean, median, or mode. So, which is the very helpful to find out that particular quantities from the particular given data. So basically the statistics is nothing but we have the multiple data given in that particular different groups. So the statistics is used in everywhere from the agriculture, physics, chemistry, biology, or the public administration, and so many things where we can use this statistics to finding out that particular what are the suitable answers in that, or how to find the possible outcome of that particular whatever the question we have or whatever the data we have given. So in the perspective for the class 10 standard, so statistics is very important. So for that is a Maharashtra State Board book is also there, as well as we have the class 10 NCERT books. Okay, that is a chapter number 13, and in case of the Maharashtra State Board, we have that is a chapter number 6. So statistics is nothing but it's just a we have to do the so many experiment on whatever the data given to us and find out the possible outcome which is the suitable for us. So the statistics basically they represented by two ways. So first one, that is a mean median mode, which is comes under the central tendency of that particular given data, and the another one, that is the statistics, is the shows by the so many pie diagram or the bar charts, histogram, so many things. So first of all we have to see that what are the mean, median, or mode. First of all, the mean is nothing but what are the frequencies given to us. Just it is nothing but it is the sum of the quantities upon the number of the quantities we have. And we have to find out the mean by the three methods. First one, that is a direct method. Second one, that is a assume mean method, and the third one, that is a step deviation method. So in case of the direct method, we have the class or whatever the groups we have along with their frequency, and we have to just multiply from the class, from the continuous class we have to find out the class marks. Okay, that is a xi, and also we have the frequencies given, that is a fi. So first of all we have to calculate the xi, that is the class marks, then find out the product of xi into fi. Xi is nothing but that is a the upper limit plus lower limit upon 2 in that particular group. So that is the class mark, and it is the represented by xi. So after finding this value, so we got the product of, that is the summation of fi xi and the summation of fi. Now we have to find out the, that is the mean. Okay, that is x bar is equal to the summation of fi xi upon summation of fi in the direct method. That is the simple one. Okay, so we will see the example of that particular type of the to find out the mean, so by which you can understand what are the concepts we are talking right now. And main thing is that each and everyone understand how to find out the mean, not just follow the whatever the thoroughly whatever the steps given to you. First of all you have to understand what is the mean and how to calculate it. Then and only then you are able to find out the answers, and whatever the questions you have, you are able to solve that particular question. Understand? Now we will see the types of the methods by which we can calculate the mean. Okay, so now we are taking the one example, so by which you can understand what I'm saying. So first of all, the mean of the statistical data is nothing but, that is nothing but so you can see that particular thing, so by which first of all we clear the screen. So that is one. Now first of all, if you want to calculate the mean of the statistical data, oh, that is nothing but, so this one, mean sum of all score upon, that is the total number of the scores by which we can calculate the mean. Okay, so for example, now we can see that, so it is nothing but, in that particular example we have to understand whatever the quantities we have. So we can take one example here by which you can understand this. Okay, now, so we have to take one example. Okay, first of all, the value is given is that is the time number of the hours is given. So first of all, the class is given. Just we have to take one. So first of all, we have to take the class. Okay, the class is given, that is a 15 to 19. That is class is given along with, that is 15 to 19, 19 to, so 15 to 19 and 19, that is here is the 20. Okay, so 20 to 24, then 25 to 29, then 30 to 34, 35 to 39, then 40 to, that's all about. So here these are the values is given. Okay, now we have the class mark. First of all, we have to calculate, again we have to the, that is the class mark, then frequency, we can say that it's a number of worker. Frequency, that is nothing but number of workers. Okay, so this is the value is given, and it is nothing but class mark xi into frequency, that is nothing but, and we here we can denote by fi, and class mark is denoted by xi. Okay, here is nothing but xi fi. Okay, so first of all, the frequency is given, that is a 10, 15, 12, 8, 5. 10, 15, 12, 8, so first 12, 8 and 5. Okay, now class mark is nothing but, we have to add those number and divide it by 2. So for example, that is nothing but 34, and 34 half is, that is a 17. Again, that is a 20, 44, that is a 22. Then there is a 5 difference. Okay, 7 plus 5, that is 22. So 25 plus 22 plus 5, that is a 27. Then 32 and 37. So in this way we have to calculate the class mark, that is a xi. Okay, then the frequency is given, so we have to just multiply it. That is a 17 into 10, that is a 1, 7 and 0. then 15 twos are 30, carry 3, 15 twos are 30, and that is 180. Okay, and that is a 8. Then 12 sevens are 84, carry 8. Then 12 twos are 24, and that is a 324. Then 32 into 8, 8 twos are 16, carry 1, 8 threes are 24, and that is a 25. And 37, just 7 fives are carry 3, 15 and 3, that is a so that is we have to calculate here, that is a summation of xi and fi equals to how much it, so 22 here. Okay, that is a, first of all in the first, that is 170, and 15 to the 30, carry 3, 15 to the 30, and that is a 320. Sorry to here 320. Okay, now we have to calculate, that is a 1265, 1265, and now we have to calculate summation of fi. That means 13 and 25, 30, 40 and total, that is a 51. Okay, so this is all about, this is the direct method. Now simply we have to, what we have to do, just we have to put the formula here, that is a mean equals to x bar equals to summation of fi into xi. Okay, upon summation of fi equals to, that is a 1265 upon 50. So in this way we got the value, that is a 25.3. So in the meantime required to complete the work, that is nothing but, that means particular hours. Okay, so in this way we can calculate the mean by the direct method. Hope everyone understand this, and this is very simple method. Now we have to calculate by the same question by the assume mean method. Okay, so in that, the assume mean method, what we have to do, for example, there is a class, again class is nothing but, that is a time and hours. Okay, then that is a class mark, that is xi. Then frequency is given, frequency whatever the given. Now first of all the given one, that is a 15 to 90. And then now we have to take another one, so by which you can understand, we are taking the another question. Okay, so you can understand this, how to calculate by using the assume mean method. Okay, in the assume mean method, what we have to do, we have some steps are given by which we can understand. So we have the some class, so instead of this time and hours, no, actually we have to take, okay, so now the class is, that is a daily sale. For example, we are taking a 1000 to 1500. Okay, this is our the first class. Then 1500 to 2000 students. we have to understand how to calculate particular thing. That means we have to understand the steps or method. Then and only then we are able to solve any type of the question. Don't hurriedly follow that. That is 2000, and then 2500 to 3000. Okay, so these are the classes given, and also frequency is given, that is 15, 20, 35 and 30. 15, 20, 35 and that's a 30. So these are the frequencies given. Now again the class marks is nothing but 1000 plus 1500, that is a 1250. Then again we have to directly just add it by 500, that is a 750. Then 2250 and 2750. Okay, so these are the different class marks we got. Okay, now we have to add one more class, that is a, we are taking the fifth one. Okay, that is nothing but, now di is equal to, that is nothing but xi minus if xi minus and a, where a is nothing but we have to take the assume mean. Okay, the value of the, here is the odd number, even number, that is 1 2 3 4 groups are there. You can take the value of a as well as this one also. Okay, so we are taking this value as a. So okay, now our, that is the di is nothing but we have to minus this term, that is xi, and from this term we have to minus the value of a. Okay, so that is nothing but minus, because the big sign is there and 1000 is there. Okay, so then minus 500 and 2250 minus 2250, that's a 0, and that is a 500. So we got the different values. Okay, now one more graph, one more column is there, that is nothing but, okay, that is fi into di. Okay, so here is the fi and the di, that is the 1000 into 15, so that is nothing but minus 15,000. Okay, so 5 2s are 10, minus is there, so that is why minus 5 2s are 10, and 1 2 3 3 zeros are there. Okay, now here 35 into 0, that is nothing but 0, and 500 into 30, that is 5 3s are 15, and 3 zeros are there. Okay, so here we can calculate if fi di, okay, is equal to how much, that is 1500 and 1500 and 10,000, that is 15,000 and 10,000, that is a minus 25,000. Then the 15,000 plus 15,000, so we got the minus 10,000 value. Okay, so that is the summation of fi di. Now we have to calculate the summation of fi. Okay, that is nothing but, so 5 5 10, carry 1 2 4 3 7, and that is 100. Okay, so now we have to calculate the value of the d bar. Okay, d bar is nothing but summation of fi into di upon summation of fi, that is nothing but minus 10,000 upon 100. 0 0 get cancelled, so we have, that is a d bar is nothing but, that is minus 100. Okay, now again we have to calculate by using the formula that is nothing but, we have to calculate the mean. Okay, so mean is nothing but, that is x bar is equal to a plus d bar. Okay, so value of a is nothing but 2250 plus plus minus, so plus minus, that is 100. Okay, d bar, the value of d bar is nothing but minus 100. So the mean is equal to how much? That is 2150. That is our answer. So this is a assume mean method. Okay, this formula is very important, you have to note this. Okay, okay, so you can particular understand by this. Okay, this is also very important, and this one. Okay, so by which you can understand these terms. So thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you like this lecture, and please comment below if there is any suggestions or whatever the things do you want, and which type of the videos do you like in furthermore. So thank you so much.